welcome back to Smart Architect Consult. Okay, so our previous videos we started with how to draw a one-bedroom house in Revit. We did how to insert the windows, the doors, the components, and we move on and we did how to draw the roof for this one-bedroom house. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to save your plan as PDF in Revit. How to save your plan as PDF in Revit. Okay, so before we start, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the notification button, like the video, share it to your friends for them to benefit from this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Comment in the comment section your topics and whatever that you are confused about. Okay, so before we start, this is our one-bedroom house with our components, with our windows, with our doors, and we have the dimension which is 4 by 4 meters. In actual fact, it is 4000 mm by 4000 mm. Okay, so before we save this project as PDF, we need to go to, first of all, you have to check the crop. So when you come to the down part, you can see that we have the do not crop view. Then we have the head or hide crop region. You get it? So you have to click on that. Like by default, it will not be active, so you have to turn it on. So we are going to click on it, the hide crop region. So this one, when you place the cursor on it, it will show that show crop region. You click on it, you see this. By default, I don't know for yours, but yours will be this way. You get it? So you have to select this, then you adjust it. I think mine is okay, but yours can be bigger. Maybe yours was bigger initially. Maybe yours was something like this. So after clicking on the show crop, you have to click on this. You adjust it. Okay, I think this one is okay. Let me adjust this one so then you click here. Okay, so then you zoom in using the scroll button. So now we can save it as PDF. So before we save it as PDF, you have to go to File, you go to Print, you click on Print. Okay, so this pop-up menu will show. Since we are not putting it on a sheet of paper, we are going to, under the print range, we are going to choose current window. So the current window is already active. So I'm going to click on the setup. Click on it. You see this menu again. Then you change the size of the paper. Under the paper, you can see that you have size. You change it from letter to what? A4 sheet. Then paper placement, center, okay. The orientation of the paper, we have portrait and landscape, but we are going to go by the landscape orientation. So it's already in landscape. Then remove lines using vector processing, okay. Raster quality high, okay. Colors, okay. I think everything is on point. You click OK. Then you click on preview to preview how your project will look like. Okay, good. So this is how it will look like after saving it as PDF. So I'll go back to print. I like it this way. So click on print. Go back to this one. Your menu. Click on OK. So after clicking on OK, you see this menu. Then you change where you are going to store it to. So I'm going to save it to desktop. I'll select desktop, then file name, maybe it's my one bed house. Let's see. Okay, so I have saved the project, but to be sure that the project will save, let me go to file. When I go to desktop, I'll see it, but let me open here, go to desktop, choose all files, go down, one bedroom house. Okay, so my one bedroom house PDF, this is okay.